This is a pretty neat car. It's a big car. I like this one. It's got a lot of chrome, but not too much chrome. Just the right amount, I think. Hudson. Let's look at that grill real quick up front. It's got 4 bumper guards. Got the Hudson emblem there in the front. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 guards. It's a lot of bumper guards. Turn signals over there on the outside, just above the bumpers. It's got a nice wide piece of chrome at the bottom of the hood. Look at that horn ornament. It's a nice hood ornament. I like that. It's kind of open in the middle. It's neat. Similar trim here on the top of the fenders. It's got a Hudson emblem there, center of the wheel cover. Let's take a look at the inside. This is pretty neat. It's got like a cream colored wood in the middle of the dash there. It's like a light wood, almost have a cream tone to it. Matches the steering wheel. It's pretty neat. I like the gauges. It's got that old style fonts on the dials there. It's pretty neat. This looks like this side over here opens up. There's a key there to drop the door down. I guess they got a glove box on the driver's side as well. Interior looks nice. It's like a deep burgundy. It's got nice little handles back here with a little grab bar and a pouch for your maps or whatever. Got the door panel. Very nice. Very nice. Let me step back here. Oh, let me look at the door handle here. It's got a little shield here for your protection of the paint, I guess. Very nice. Check out the gas door over here for putting your gas in. It's a different spot for it right there on the end, the corner. It's very nice. It's very rounded in the back. Hudson. Look at the side here on the passenger door. And get a look at the dash from this side. It's pretty neat. Love the radio buttons. Clock, the speedometer's over there. It's got a dome light up there. Check that out. It's pretty neat. It's got a lot of chrome on the armrest. It's got like a chrome armrest. Check that out. It's different. Didn't expect that. This has power windows. Check out those knobs on the driver's door. Let me spin this around, see if you can get a better look at the knob. Look at that knob for the power windows. That's different. Let me see if I can bring this around again. So tell me what you think.